Hey guys, and welcome to the Chief Life Kitchen. I'm Maddie, and today I'm going to take you through a Chief Life barbecue sauce with no hidden nasties. Let's have a look at these ingredients.
Onion, garlic, tomato paste, honey, apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar, gluten-free tamari, cayenne pepper, paprika, chili powder, and salt and pepper. Start by putting all of your ingredients into a blender or a tall jar. We've chosen to use our stick blender today, so we're going to place our onion in the base and then all of the ingredients on top, finishing with the tomato paste. Blend all of your ingredients until you're happy with the consistency. If you like it chunky, don't blend it for as long. Once blended, start your stovetop and pour the ingredients into a pot. We're going to bring the pot to the boil and then knock it back to simmer for 30 minutes. After simmering, pour into a jug for ease of pouring into your final jar. And there you have your barbecue sauce all done and dusted.